So here's a preview of Week 8 Instructor session. So in the Week 8 Instructor session, I'm going to go over your Week 8 assignment worksheet, in which you're going to write an outline for your comparison contrast essay. And then I'm going to go over what is a comparison contrast essay, and I'm going to go over different transition words that you can use for your comparison contrast essays. Alright, so different kinds of transition words of similarity, transition words of opposition and difference, transition words that occur in simple sentences, transition words that occur in compound sentences, and transition words that occur in complex sentences. Alright, and so this is just a trailer and also transition word practice. So we're going to do, and also transition words of cause, condition, and purpose, transition words of examples, transition words of consequence, and transition words of conclusion, chronology, and sequence. And we're also going to go over how to use pie structure. That is, how many times can you use statistics in a paragraph. And so here's an example of how you can use transition words. You can use it first, smoking causes lung cancer. Second, smoking causes throat cancer. Third, smoking causes stomach cancer. So you can use transition words that way. Then I'm going to go over the Week 9 forum. It's how to write your persuasive essay post. And so I'll go over what is a persuasive essay, what is persuasive essay structure, and then we're going to go over the persuasive, different kinds of persuasive posts students have posted through time. And then I'm going to talk about what topics you can write for your persuasive essay. And that pretty much sums up this lecture. All right. And so this is a preview of the Week 8 Instructor session. And then in Week 9, I will go over different kinds of persuasive essays. So for this trailer, I'm just going to go over your Week 8 Instructor Week 8 worksheet for the Essay 2. Then I'm going to go over Week 9 forum for the persuasive essay. And the persuasive essay is something totally different than your Essay 2. So I hope that you've enjoyed this very, very fast trailer on what you're going to be covering for your Week 8 Instructor session. And so this ends this very fast trailer of what you're going to be studying in a week. So I hope to see you all there so that we can all go over the transition words, different ways of writing the comparison contrast essay, as well as going over the Week 8 outline, which is the pre-writing assignment for Essay 2, and also go over the Week 9 persuasive essay post, in which you're going to write a completely different essay for Week 9. And then in Week 9 Instructor session, I will go over different kinds of persuasive essays. So if you have any questions, feel free to email